Uh-oh, we got the hiccups. We got the hiccups again. You have the hiccups? Oh, poor baby. Milo, do you have the hiccups? No? Yeah. Oh. How do you feel about the hiccups? Really? Tell me all about it. Yeah? How do those hiccups make you feel? Talk to me. Oh, God bless you. Oh, God bless you, Zigzin. Did that get rid of your hiccups for you? No. You want to give us a big smile, Milo? Show them all your big, beautiful smile. No, you're too focused on annoying, annoying hiccups, aren't you? Oh, look at that cute face. I know those hiccups stink, don't they? Make it stop. Come on, give us a smile. You thought about it. You thought about it for a second. Give us a smile. Oh, and we're hungry.